welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iddah Mapenzi and this is my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Guys, kindly like, share and subscribe. So guys, today I'm going to give you YouTube ideas you should consider if you want to start your YouTube channel. And yeah, let's get right into the video. As usual, I'll be reading my tips from my notebook. And say hi to my beautiful doll. She's called Baby T. So yeah, the first idea you're going to you would want to consider while starting a YouTube channel is you can do behind the scene videos, and these videos are they are recommended worldwide because you can do behind the scenes of movies or videos you like. Yeah. And the next thing you want to consider is company culture. You can do videos that relate to company cultures and stuff. You can also do videos that are about meeting the team, like meeting my workmates, meeting something like that. Another idea you want to consider is product showcase or announcement. You can do announce product announcement videos or showcases. You can also do event announcements. So your channel can just be when an upcoming event is. When you have an upcoming event, you just tell people, hey guys, we'll be having this event at this point, something like that. Another idea you want to consider is explainer videos, where you explain how to maybe use something or how to do something or how to, yeah. A disclaimer, guys, you're going to hear some background noise. Where I stay, there is a road, so I have no control of that noise, but I hope mnanisikia. So yeah, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Another idea you want to consider is tutorials. Tutorials are mainly on YouTube. You can do a tutorial on how to like shave your eyebrows, how to make your eyebrows, makeup, how to fix something, how to, tutorials. You can also do product tutorial is like, for example, how to use a particular product. Maybe it's a foundation or it's a screwdriver, or yeah. You can also consider webina, I think it's webina or something like that. Webina videos. You can also have live streams on your channel. You can also have AMA sessions. You can also have interviews on your channel. You can also have testimonials on your channel. Whiteboard videos. You can also consider competitions where like today we are going to see who is going to do this with, yeah. You can also do lists videos. You can also do case studies. You can do tech unboxing. You can also do tech reviews, and lastly you can do reaction videos, which are everywhere on TikTok and Instagram, Facebook, even on YouTube. So yeah guys, this year make sure you start a channel. At least you have some ideas to start with. Yeah. You can also do, like, for example, gym videos or beauty related videos or fashion related videos or cooking videos. So you just sit down, plan and know your niche and know what you're interested in or what you are more attracted to, and yeah, do that. So when you're starting a channel, it's going to be hard at first, but just know that with time people will just come to your channel, be consistent. So just put content out there and you'll find people to watch, like and subscribe to your channel. See you, bye.